Hi everyone, this is Mr. Tremblay. This is our monthly assembly video. Hope you will enjoy it. We will have the slideshow, we're gonna have the Energizer, and we're also gonna have the awards. Thanks everyone.
Good morning, Gregory Gatineau. This is the Environment Club. Recently, we have noticed that dried out markers have been thrown out in the garbage and none are recycling.
So we have made up marker boxes to put dried out markers in. We will be picking them up every week. We will be the ones responsible. This will help clean up our school and make it more environmentally friendly.
Are your dried markers not working?
No.
Well, don't throw them out. Put them in the dead marker box where highlighters, markers, and others can be thrown out there.
C'est Mme Alain avec les certificats d'effort en français pour le mois de janvier. Pour le mois de janvier, j'ai Olivier, bravo. Pitou, dessin. J'ai aussi Mackenzie, Pitou, j'ai dit d'arrêter. Mackenzie, Corbin, Miona et Pitou, Daphné. Hey, fais-les pas. Non, non, tu ne peux pas aller. Hey, non, Pitou, non, Pitou, non, Pitou, attends. Oh, non. OK, j'ai besoin de lui mettre dans sa cage. Au revoir.
Hello, Greater Gatineau. This is Mr. Schultz. On this cold, wintry day, I've got 3 students that I'm going to award the Perseverance Award. They're hardworking students who don't give up, no matter what the challenge is. And so I'd like to congratulate Owen, Tiala, and Tayden.
Hey everyone, just wanted to announce the awards for Perseverance for Mr. Dooling's class. This month's award winners are Madison Mellifont and Braden Crack. Congratulations.
Good morning, everyone. For Mr. Birch's Perseverance Awards for January, I've chosen Marco Milanov and Coralie Pelletier. Congratulations, you two. Great job.
The awards for Miss Famous class for Perseverance this month go to Gabby and Caleb. Congratulations.
Hi, Greater Gatineau. Miss Weir here presenting the awards this month. The 2 students in my class are Owly and Sophie. Congratulations, girls.
Okay, for Mr. Erson's grade 5 class for the Perseverance Awards this month, I'd like to say a big congratulations to Andrew, Mosen, and Sadie for putting in a great effort all the time. Well done.
In Miss Stone's class, the Perseverance Award goes to Thomas and Kimberly.
Hi everyone, so in my class for the Perseverance Awards, they go to Gregory, Precious, and Xavier. Good job, boys.
So for this month's award for Perseverance in Miss Borisma's class, we have Nathaniel and Tyler. Come on over, Nathaniel and Tyler. You're going to take a stand right here. And then in French, dans la classe de français, we have Erin and Jasmine.
Jasmine's not here.
I know, that's okay. Can we show an appreciation for our friends?
I'd like to present the awards this month for Perseverance for Miss Wiesel's class. The first award goes to Rowan. Congratulations. The second award goes to Joseph. Congratulations. Good job, boys. For French, I'd like to present this award to Lucas. Good job. And to Miss Niagani. Congratulations, guys. Bye.
Good morning, Greater Gatineau. This month in Miss Golden class for Perseverance, we have 2 winners. Congratulations to Clyde Smith and to Mackenzie Grew. In French, we have 2 other winners, which will be Lucas Pilon and Mia Houle. Congratulations to all 4 winners.
Hello, it's Miss Hooker here. I have 2 awards for Perseverance. The first one goes to Brady LaBelle, and the second one is for Jaden Dore. Well done, guys.
Hi, Greater Gatineau, Miss Given here. For the month of January, we've been working very hard on the virtue of perseverance. And there are 2 students that I would like to recognize this month who never give up, they always do their best, and they always give 110%. So the 2 students I would like to recognize are Skylar and Alejandro. Well done.
This month, in Miss Carey's class, the Perseverance Awards go to Julian Savard, Toriel Grew, Milana Solly, and Zadkiel Cormier. Congratulations.
Hello everyone, I'd like to announce the recipients of the Perseverance Award for this month, and that goes to Caleb and William. I want to recognize all the hard work that they have done in class, and more importantly, the huge improvement that I've seen in just their overall work ethic and how hard they have worked this year and how far they've come. So I really want to show my appreciation to these 2. So thank you, boys, for all the hard work, and keep it up. Thank you.
So for the month of January, the virtue was perseverance. Perseverance is working really hard without giving up. And this month, the winners are Megan Forte and Sophie Irving Berthelot. Congratulations!
The award of Mrs. Bush's class goes to Chase Lies and Zuri Samaru. Congratulations.
Hello everyone, the awards this month for perseverance go to Harley and Tim. Congratulations.
Oh, hi, it's me, Miss DV, here to tell you the recipients of the Perseverance Award for our grade 4 classroom. So without further ado, drum roll please. Can't hear you. Tommy and Adam. Great job, guys. I'm proud of you.
Hello, Greater Gatineau. This is Mr. M for grade 3. I have 3 students this month who I'd like to recognize for the Perseverance Award. Congratulations to Johan, Emily, and Riley. Well done, everyone. You did a great job.
The awards for Miss Allen's class go to Junior and Benji, and the awards for our French class go to Kian. Congratulations, everyone.
In Miss Cousin's grade 4 class, the Perseverance Award goes to Vivian Bernier and Emerick Goulet. Congratulations!
Okay, the 2 students who have won the Perseverance Award for this month are Grace and Philip! Congratulations, you two! Congratulations, guys!
It's time for a brain break, the games where we energize our body to ignite our mind. This is a game of Winter Olympics Would You Rather. Don't forget to share this video, like, and subscribe for more great games. In this game, you'll have 10 seconds to choose between 2 options of Winter Olympic events, then 20 seconds to do the matching activity. Are you ready for round 1? Would you rather bobsled or cross-country ski? If you said bobsled, you get to do squats. If you said cross-country skiing, you get to do standing toe touches. Time for round 2. Would you rather participate in figure skating or curling? If you said figure skating, you get to balance on one foot. If you said curling, you get to hold a squat. In round 3, would you rather play ice hockey or participate in ski jumping? If you said ice hockey, you get to run in place. If you said ski jumping, you get to do jumping jacks. Would you rather compete in snowboarding or speed skating? If you said snowboarding, you get to balance in tree pose. If you said speed skating, you get to do standing elbows to knees. On to the next round. Would you rather compete in freestyle skiing or biathlon? If you said freestyle skiing, you get to dance the floss. If you said biathlon, you get to balance on one foot. Final round. Would you rather compete in luge or short track speed skating? If you said luge, you get to punch the speed bag. If you said short track speed skating, you get to run in place.
Hi everyone, and that's the end of today's assembly. Thank you so much for joining. Next month we're going to be working on the virtue of caring. So next month we have Valentine's Day coming up, and we want to talk about caring for each other, for our classmates, for our school, and for our families. So please make sure to show a lot of caring next month for the virtue we will be following. And also, I would just like to know from all the teachers, if you could please email me to tell me how many popsicle sticks your class earned for the Tribes Bucket this month. Thank you, everyone.